Good morning and welcome to today's edition of FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. Global shares edged higher today, brushing off investor disappointment with Nvidia's recent earnings report. Despite the buzz around AI, Nvidia's results didn't quite hit the mark, leading to a 6.4% drop in their stock. On the other hand, oil prices rebounded thanks to supply disruptions in Libya, bringing a bit of relief after 2 sessions of losses. In US markets, the Dow Jones closed at a new record high, up 0.59%, while the S&P 500 hovered just below its July record, closing flat at 5,591.96. The Nasdaq saw a slight dip, losing 0.23%. Meanwhile, data from the US Commerce Department showed a 3% annualized GDP growth rate last quarter, hinting that the Fed might have room to cut rates in September. And in Forex news, the US dollar gained ground after the GDP data, with the dollar index rising 0.36% to 101.37. The euro slid 0.39% to $1.1077, and gold prices climbed, just shy of another record high, with spot gold up 0.79% at $2,522.08 an ounce. In Europe, stocks rose by 0.76%, powered by gains in the technology sector. The MSCI's global gauge ticked up slightly, and investors are keeping a close eye on Eurozone inflation data expected later today. Over in Asia, markets were set for a solid end to the month. Asian stocks rose, with the dollar on track for its worst monthly performance since last November. US stock futures extended Wall Street's positive run, and European futures were mixed. And wrapping up in the oil markets, prices saw a lift as concerns over Libyan supplies outweighed a smaller-than-expected draw in US crude inventories. Brent crude settled up 1.64% at $79.94 a barrel, while US crude rose 1.87% to $75.91. Thank you for tuning in to FinXo Capital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.